welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I always say, India is the home to tigers as well as the lions which can be seen here in the natural habitat. Today in this video, we are going to take you to the Gir National Park and Sanctuary, which is the home to the Asiatic lions. This video will provide you detailed information about the Gir National Park, how to visit it, and what are the chances to trace the Asiatic lion. Before we proceed, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for further informative videos. We embark on an exciting lion safari in open jeep at Gir National Park, also known as Sasan Gir, and is located in the western Indian state of Gujarat. Established in 1965, the Gir National Park and Sanctuary has grown and is now home to 674 lions as per the 2020 census. Over the years, its protected area has expanded remarkably from an initial 1,265 square kilometers to an extensive 30,000 square kilometers. While planning to visit Gir National Park, we highly recommend it to plan your Gir National Park lion safari and secure the jeep safari permits at least 1-2 months in advance of your travel dates. In short period of time, you will not get the permit to visit the Gir National Park. These permits can be obtained online or Summit Safari India can assist you in securing these permits to the Gir National Park. Once your permit is successfully confirmed for a specific date, you will need to visit C. Sadan, the reception and orientation center for Gir National Park. Please arrive here at least 30 minutes before your scheduled safari time to queue to get a vehicle, a forest guide and a route for Gir Lion Safari. The guide and the driver will accompany us on a thrilling 3 hours lion safari exploring the Gir National Park to spot lions in their natural habitat. Tourists can request for safari booking 3 months prior to their actual safari date. Each day, there are 3 slots for the lion safari at Gir National Park. The timing slot for the lion safari is from 6:30 am to 9:30 am. The second safari slot is from 9:30 am to 12:30 pm, and the third and the last safari slot is from 3 pm to 6 pm. Please note that lion safari bookings at Gir National Park are suspended annually from June 16th to October 15th due to the monsoon season, allowing for essential maintenance and conservation efforts. Jeep safari price at the Gir National Park for Indians is around 5,200 Indian rupees to 7,200 Indian rupees, and for the foreigner clients is around 15,700 Indian rupees to 17,700 Indian rupees depending on the sitting capacity of the jeep. 4-seater, 6-seater and 8-seater jeeps are available for the lion safari at the Gir National Park. Gir National Park has 13 designated safari routes, and each jeep is randomly assigned one of these routes. The chances of spotting lions are equally across all routes, making it a matter of luck. We advise you to book at least 2 jeep safaris at the Gir National Park to increase your chances to spot lions. Both early morning safari 6:30 to 9:30 and late afternoon safari 3 pm to 6 pm provides good chances to trace the lions. Your guide and driver plays a crucial role in your safari experience. If they are experienced and knowledgeable about the park's flora and fauna, they can provide valuable insights and increase your chances of spotting the lions and other wildlife. We experienced two jeep safaris at the Gir National Park, one early in the morning at 6:30 am and another in the afternoon starting at 3 pm. While we were not fortunate enough to spot any lions during the morning safari on route number 13, the afternoon safari on route number 2 turned out to be unforgettable experience for me as well as for my clients. Escorted by the forest guards on motorbikes, the king of the jungle emerged from the bushes, walking directly in front of us before heading to a nearby waterhole to drink some water. These majestic creatures, the lions at the Gir National Park, walked right in front of our jeep. It was an extraordinary experience and we felt incredibly lucky to witness the lions from such close. A female and a young male lion just walked in front of us and we saw them drinking water from a water hole for minutes and minutes. At this same spot, we saw a total number of 4 lions, 2 resting in the shade behind the trees and these 2 who appeared from another direction. After drinking water, the lioness walked back towards us, giving us another incredible opportunity to see her up close. shortly after a lion appeared completely unfazed by the presence of jeeps filled with people. He casually passed by and lay down right in front of the jeeps, making our jeep safari at the Gir National Park an unforgettable wildlife experience. Soon, two more lions emerged following the first pair and passed right by us. One of them settled near our jeep, offering us again an incredible photo opportunity. We could not have asked for a more thrilling lion sighting than this. Watching these magnificent creatures up close in their natural habitat was truly an unforgettable experience for us. We warmly invite you to plan your holiday to India with Summit Safari India, where we promise authentic and immersive travel experiences tailored just for you. I hope you liked this video and found it informative. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for informative travel videos around the world. See you soon on another adventure. Till then, goodbye.